Assalamu alaikum. In this video, how to make a curved triangle in Photoshop. Let's get started. Create a new layer and first of all use a rounded rectangle and use 14px. Only stroke. Do not use fill. Okay, then hold shift, click this path selection and click draw and click corner, right click on your mouse, delete anchor point, again right click, delete again anchor point. Okay, and another way, again create a new layer. Okay, then again right click, polygon tool, use 3 slide or 4 slide as you wish. I use 3 slide, smooth corners, and again use stars corners. Again, that's it. Thanks for watching video. Please subscribe to my channel, like, comment, share.